What's up everyone, how's it going? Dylan here. Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. How's it going? Thanks for coming by. So in today's video, I'm gonna be telling you why I'm going to court. I don't know if you guys have been keeping up with everything going on, but I recently did get a ticket. And this ticket, although it's a very minor ticket and only costs $20 to actually pay, could potentially prohibit my ability to drive on the Uber and Lyft platforms. Essentially what I got, I don't want to say too many details, but I got a texting and driving ticket. Now, I wasn't thankfully driving for Uber or Lyft at the time, but I also was not texting. Now, the law, I guess, excludes you from getting a ticket if you're on private property or if it's an emergency, whatever. So I have all my documents on the showing that I wasn't texting. I downloaded my documents from my cellular carrier. The thing is, guys, this raises a lot of questions for drivers, right? For background checks, people getting deactivated. If you're an Uber or a Lyft driver and you've been deactivated, obviously this one, Cover would not cover me. I wouldn't be able to get reactivated because I'm assuming that they don't want people on their platform who, you know, have gotten a ticket. But I'm going to court, guys. I'll keep you guys updated. Yeah, I'm going to court next month. I did consult with a lawyer over this. I don't know if I should get I didn't consult with a traffic attorney. If you know any, I don't want to use one of those, you know, off the record or one of those weird traffic attorney apps because I just don't trust them. And I would just, you know, rather trust somebody who has experience, you know, traffic experience, I guess. So I think I'm gonna either request a trial of a written declaration, or I might just actually go to court, bring all my documents and try to fight it in person. But other than that, guys, that's the update right as of now, as of today. I wanted to document this experience because, you know, this could be a big outcome for me on this channel, the Rideshare Hub. If any of you guys have ever gotten a traffic ticket and you're an Uber or a Lyft driver, either for speeding or for texting and driving, or I don't know, making a wrong turn or whatever, I don't know, not using your blinker, whatever, let me know, and let me know what if your account ended up getting deactivated or if you still have an active account, or if your insurance went up. That's another thing. I don't want my insurance to go up, so I am fighting this. And I do believe I have sufficient proof, but again, who knows what the court will say. Yeah, who knows what the judge will say. So anyways, guys, I've never been to court. This is my first time ever going. I will not be filming it. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna take in my camera and vlog my experience, but I will update everybody on the process of what it looks like, and hopefully everything runs smoothly. If I do end up getting deactivated, I will most likely be shifting my focus to the Finance Hub. As you guys might know, I did start a second channel called the Finance Hub, where I'm talking about my income streams and just different ways to make money and different news updates with the stimulus bill going on right now, but also just everything going on in the finance world of personal finance, credit cards, real estate. I am in the process of buying my first home, which I am going to be documenting on that channel. So that's the update with my life, guys. A lot going on, I know. It's a stressful time, but hey, we'll all get through it together. Thank you all for the support so far. I really appreciate everybody supporting me through this time, and everybody who has reached out to me for help. I do appreciate it. Anyways, guys, I'll keep you updated. Please give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that to make me feel better as a person. All right, guys, I'll talk to y'all soon. Stay safe out there, and yeah, keep crushing it. All right, bye, guys.